Hello everyone, welcome all of you in FunnelAnalyst. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit and customize a funnel. So for editing a funnel, just click on here edit page. Then it will open the editor dashboard. Then on the left side, you will get all the elements, and on the right side, we can see the design. So first of all, let's change the background. Let's say we want to change the background image. So for changing the background image, just hover your mouse pointer over here. Then you can see the section. Then click over here. Then on the left side, you will get the properties. So whenever you click on any element, then on the left side, you will get the properties of that particular element. So we have the background image on this main section. So click on this section, and here you can see the image. If I click here, then see the background image has been deleted. Now for uploading a background image, just click over here and then click select files, and then you can choose your background image here. So I will choose this image, and then it will be uploaded over here. Then click on insert, and then our background image will be added over here. Now let's say you want to change the text. So for changing the text, just click over here, then click again, and then double click here, and then write down your text here. So I'll just write down here, let's become a master in funnel building using Systeme.io. Then let's say we want to increase the size. So just to click here, and from here you can see font size. Just increase the font size. So I'll make it something 52 pixel. Then here you can see our input form. Let's say we want to change the background color of this input form. Just click over here, click over this row, and from here just to change the background color into this little white color or whatever color you want. So I'll make it pure black, and then I will just decrease the opacity. Then it's going to be look like this. And now let's say we don't need this text. We want to delete this text. So just click over here, and then just hover your mouse pointer, and you can see this delete icon. Just click over here and then click OK. Then this text will be deleted. So this way we can change and we can add any elements. So now let's say we want to add an extra element. Here we want to add a headline text. So how can we do that? Here you can see the headline text. Just drag the headline text over here, and you can see it added as sections, and on the sections we have this headline text. Just click over here, then select all, and from here just select the white color. Then you can see your headline text over here. Let's write down here features. Then let's say you want to change the background color. So just click on the sections, and here you can see background color. So from here choose any of the color you want. So I will choose here, let's say use this color, or we can use this color. And then here we can see we have these colors. Now let's change those icon colors in this color. So just click here, and from here you can see, okay, these icon are PNG images. These are not SVG, so we cannot change the color from here. So let's make it look like this. Now let's say we want to add a button here. So how can we add a button? Here you can see we have the button element over here. Just drag the button element where we want to add. Then just click here, click the button, and from here, first of all, let's delete the subtext. We don't need any subtext on the button. And then here we can write down here, learn more. Then we can change the font. So for changing the font, just click over here and click Google Fonts. And from here, you can choose any of the fonts. So I'll just write down here, Poppins. This font will be added over here. Now let's say we change the background color of this button. So just come over here, and you can see background color. From here, you can choose the background color into this color. And then border corners, so we will make it 100 pixel. Make it 100 pixel. So I will write down here 100, and also make it 100, and also make it 100. Then it will be fully radius, 100% radius. And we don't need any border color, so we'll just remove the border color. And now let's change the background color of these sections. So click over here, and then click the background, and let's make it fully white. Then it's going to be look like this. So these way we can add any element, and we can change any element. It's very simple. Now let's say we want to delete this section. So we don't need these sections. So just hover your mouse pointer over these sections, and then click this delete icon. Then these sections will be deleted. Let's say we don't also need this section, so we'll also delete these sections. And this is another sections. So we don't need this one, so we will also delete this one. Okay, so we only have this header, and then we have this hero sections, then feature sections, and then we have this footer. Now let's say how we can add elements using this block sections. So blocks, it means it uses some templates, that's pre-built templates that we can use. So let's say we want to add a testimonial sections over here. So we'll just click over here, testimonials, and here we can see some testimonial templates. We can choose this one. So we'll just drag these testimonial sections over here, and then see the testimonial sections over here. And now let's say you want to change those text. So just double click over here and you will write down here our customer feedback. Then this way you can also change those text. Just click over here, double click, and then you can change your text. This is very simple. Now let's say we want to add another block. Just come over here and then we can see here team presentations. Let's add a team presentations. So just instructions, just drag this element over here and then we can add the instruction element over here. Now for editing the elements, just click over here and then just write down whatever you want to write. So this way you can easily edit and customize your text. Now let's say we want to change this button color. So just click over here and from here you can see the button color. Just make the button color into this color. Now let's say you want to add another input form, like you want to collect the phone number. Then how can you do that? So just come over here, just click this back icon, and then here you can see the form input. Just drag the element over here and then click over here, and from here select a type. From here just click phone number. Then you can see the phone number input also added over here. Then another important element, we can add the checkbox. So you can see the checkbox. So drag the checkbox over here and make the text color into white color. So after filling those informations, user need to check this checkbox. Then they can submit the form. Then when they click on this submit button, then the form will be sent, the form will be collected, and then they will move to the next step. And our next step is the thank you page. So now let's see how we can edit the thank you page. So this way you can edit and customize your funnel, your squeeze page. Now let's see how we can customize and edit the thank you page. So I'll just click on save and our funnel will be saved. So if you want to see the funnel, see this squeeze page, then click over here, preview icon, then you can see the preview over here. Just close here and see, this is what our squeeze page is gonna be look like. Now just click over here and now let's customize the thank you page. So just come over the thank you page and then click here edit page. Then this is going to be look like this. So first of all, let's change the button style. So we'll click the button and on the right side you can see the button, all the properties. So first of all, we will remove the text. We will just only write down here subscribe now or whatever you can write down here. And then let's say we want to change the background image, or we don't want this background image. So just click over here and from here just we can select a background color. This is pure white. Then the background color will be added over here. So we want to make our thank you page something look like this. So this way we can easily change our thank you page also. Then click on save and click on exit button. And make sure you change the thank you page URL because it's now random number. It's not looking so professional. So just write down here thank you page. Then click on save and our funnel has been done. Now if you click on view final step, then see this is the thank you page and this is our squeeze page. So after filling these informations, they will move to the thank you page and the lead will be collected on this lead sections. So this way you can easily edit and customize a funnel in Systeme.io. So that's it for this particular video. I hope you guys learned something new. I will meet you in the next one. Thank you for watching and keep watching our videos.